Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're discussing how to arrange a kitchen without cabinets. Whether do you wish to create a unique design for your kitchen or running on low kitchen space, organizing your kitchen without cabinets is a good idea. To do this, you need to do proper planning before implementing it in your kitchen. But before you start with any of the planning or arranging, make sure that you have an accurate idea of your kitchen space. Having an organized and clutter-free kitchen will save your time preparing meals for the whole family. However, you might be wondering how you can do the same without having cabinets in the kitchen. Where will you be placing your mug, pots, pans, and dishes? You will find the answer to this question here in this article. If you are also looking for ideas to organize the kitchen without cabinets, this article is for you. Therefore, go on reading and explore the new tricks and tips to organize your kitchen uniquely. Perks of organizing your kitchen with no cabinets. Aesthetic look. Many homeowners consider a kitchen with no cabinets as an innovative style and a unique approach. You will not find a kitchen without cupboards. Therefore, this idea has its uniqueness and integrity. Also, you can arrange your kitchen in your design if you are organizing it without the use of cupboards or cabinets. Accurate for small kitchens, most of the time, half of the kitchen space is occupied mainly by the cabinets and cupboards. For small kitchens, arranging dishes and other things without the cabinets saves a lot of space. A kitchen that has no cabinets has extra shelf space and more rooms to store things. Budget-friendly arrangement. Cupboards and cabinets are quite expensive. Organizing your kitchen with no cabinet is a much cheaper alternative than its contrary. You do not need to spend much money when arranging a kitchen without cabinets. Planning and organizing are much more important in this case. Saves time. You know how much time it takes to find the right sized pot through all the cabinets. When you arrange dishes and utensils right in front of you on the shelves, your task becomes 100 times easier. You can simply locate the item you want and use it right away. Neat and clean. Many cabinets, cupboards, and other items can make the kitchen look messy and disorganized. But when you arrange the kitchen without such items, it looks neat and clean. Also, every item is visible, and you do not have to search through everything in the cabinet. Now, as you know, while opting for a cabinet-less kitchen is a good idea, here is how you can actually do it. The below listed points and tips will help you know how to set a kitchen without a cabinet. Step 1. Maximize your kitchen space. To maximize your kitchen space, only keep the items in the kitchen that you use regularly. Take a rough measurement of all large dimensional items such as oven, coffee blender, etc. It will give you an idea of how much space you need to arrange things. You can do it with the help of the following tips. Clear the ground and the walls. Look through the kitchen and find where you can create extra space. Move anything you do not need temporarily out of the kitchen. Now make a rough sketch of your kitchen arrangement. You can use the vertical space to maximum for storage several items. Store daily use items near to you. The items you commonly use, such as a frying pan, cooker, etc., should be easy to access. You can hang such items near the stove, on the wall, or back near it. Apply the same criteria for eatables too. Anything you eat daily must be easy to locate and near you. Throw the items you do not use. Only keep the kitchen appliances in the kitchen useful to you. Any item that you find of no use must cover no space in the kitchen. It will help you figure out what things you need and what not. Turn the closet into a pantry. For arranging a small kitchen without cabinets, you can keep some items in the adjoining room. If you have a vacant closet, you can use it as a pantry and store items in it that you use occasionally. Step 2. Prepare your walls to store items. To use the vertical space in the kitchen to the fullest, take the maximum benefits of the walls. Kitchen walls have a lot of vacant space and hold the capacity to store a variety of items. You can use the wall space optimally with the following procedure. Add open shelves to the walls. To arrange a small kitchen without cabinets, you need to have some storage solution. Open shelves on the walls are among the best tricks to maximize storage area in a small kitchen. Install the shelf at the location that you can access most of the time. Remember to measure the wall space before you buy or store a shelf. Use tight corners to store plates. Install plate racks on the corner of your kitchen. Arrange them neatly as they will be visible and will make a part of your kitchen decoration. Install a pegboard. A pegboard will help you to organize your cooking tools functionally and aesthetically. It will save the time you spend on searching for items throughout the kitchen. You can mount it yourself on the wall by drilling it. Step 3. Find space for some items on the floor. When you are done storing items on racks, shelves, and kitchen walls, it is time to use the vacant floor space or lower kitchen corners. You follow these different ways. Arrange a rolling cart. Rolling carts are cheap to buy and easy to use. They are mobile and have multiple shelves. You can keep one in the corner of your kitchen and drag it near you when you need it. Set up a ground bin. You can place a bin under the sink or a storage cart to maximize the space. Here are some recommended products that will help you create ample space in a kitchen without cabinets. Number 1. Heavy Metal Storage Rolling Cart 3-Tire Organizer. This multi-purpose rolling cart is a perfect item for kitchen use. This cart has a sturdy frame along with the anti-rust coating. Get this product along with an installation guide so that you can install it yourself at home. It also has a pegboard as its side for extra storage. You can also block its wheels if you wish to stop it in a place and then release the lock when you want to move it. Sevi Height Adjustable 4 Shelves Storage Rack. This easy to assemble storage rack with 4 shelves is the best pick for a kitchen that does not have cabinets. You can store items of various sizes, weights, and shapes on its racks and divide them by their usability. The Sevi storage rack has an adjustable height and you can adjust its height according to your requirements. To avoid rustling and making it more durable, it also has a coating of steel on it. AB 4-Layer Storage Organizer Slim Rack Shelf with Wheel. This slim rack shelf is perfect for a kitchen with low space. You can slide it anywhere you find a small vacant space in your kitchen. The wheels help easy sliding and accessibility. This product is highly durable and can resist hot temperatures. You can solve most of your kitchen storage problems with it. 4 layers of different racks allow you to organize your things in different groups and place them accordingly. Honey Can Do SHF 250C1436 Steel Wire Shelf for Urban Shelving Units. This multi-purpose stainless steel wire wall shelf is the right choice for a wall shelf. It is made up of stainless steel wires and has an anti-rust coating. You can easily install it on the wall with the help of nuts and bolts and use it with shelving units and build a unit of your choice. It is also easy to clean and you can install bowls, plates, etc. Sturdy Wall Mount Stainless Steel Wall Mounted Mop Organizer. You can use this product to hang different kitchen items. It saves space by hanging on the wall and holding multiple kitchen appliances. This product is made of high quality stainless steel material that is sturdy as well as durable. This product has 2 mounting options. You can either use screws to mount the organizer or use the self-adhesive tape. The rubber no-slip design helps the organizer stay securely in place. Ucopia Store More Rack Expandable Cookware Organizer. An expandable Ucopia cookware rack and organizer can help you organize your kitchen utensils and make your cooking area look mess-free. You can store your large pans and griddles in this rack along with lids and plates. This rack is expandable from 12 to 24 inches and can fit most of your shelves for an elegant kitchen space look. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like the video, please like, share and comment and subscribe to Broadheart channel.